What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Just Kidding channel. So in this video I install DorkiDori Rear valences on my car. The reason why I filmed this video in this little clip right here is because the intro was way too long. I just want to get into it, stop wasting time. So just enjoy. Alright, so before we throw the rear valences on, I want to wash this car. It is dirty. I know it's just gonna get dirty again, but it'll give me some type of satisfaction just cleaning it. Like as it says right now, it looks really good. Let's just see what it looks like when it's clean. Okay, so now that the car is cleaner than it was, well, it's not exactly clean. We're gonna try to see if we can fit the rear valences on. We're gonna have to drill some holes, use some zip ties, but we'll definitely get it to work. Now for the best part, installing it. So not sure if you guys can see, but here there are already holes indented in the piece itself. There's another one down here, and this hole down there is where you mount another hole on the fiberglass behind. So we're gonna drill these holes and get this to line up. All right, drilled out the holes, lining it up. Oh wow, that's pretty close. This bottom one though, I don't think it's good. Yeah, it has to come further in order to be mounted. It's close, not there yet. You can see it now. Top one, bottom one, probably as close as I'm gonna get for now. It wasn't half bad. Now, onto the rear. Right, so for the rear, drill the hole for here, for underneath the plate, and I need to drill a hole here, drill a hole here, because underneath the bumper, I'll show you. You can see it. That right there is what it uses to mount to. So, gonna undo this, undo the other one on the other side, line the holes up, drill the hole, and then attach it. Right, so got the rear valences on 100%, and I'll show you the car from this angle. I'm gonna drop the car down in a bit, but I do want to mess with something beforehand. Mess with something I shouldn't be messing with, but I'm still gonna do. And I'm gonna put this side skirt back on. I want to drill bigger holes so I can fit a stronger zip tie rather than those tiny ones I've been using. Right, it is a little dark, so hopefully you guys can see, but the car definitely does look a lot nicer now that it's clean. I'm gonna do a little walk around, but for right now, let me get just realize kind of in low light, car looks good. So I feel like it's harder to show you because the car is in limited space, but once it's on the street and it's moving, it'll look a lot better, or you would notice it more. Just looks good. So I know it's super late, but I was gonna watch the 0.5, but I can't because there's no driver's seat. So I'll just do that another time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. If you do want to get anything from DorkiDori, they did have a sale last month. Sale's over now, but their stuff is pretty good quality, so I would suggest it.